Hello and welcome to this guided Lemurian meditation. You have obviously found your way here for a reason, because somewhere deep within you, an ancient memory is beginning to stir. This is a journey of remembrance, of reconnection, of returning home. Take a moment to get comfortable, seated or lying down, and begin to let your body soften. With every exhale melting into stillness. With every inhale drawing in renewed and fresh energy. Breathing in deeply through the nose and exhaling through the mouth with a sigh. Again, inhale and exhale. Let your breath become the waves of the ocean, ebbing and flowing in a sacred rhythm. It is through our breath that we will begin to connect to our higher self, our consciousness. The more we relax, the more we let go of the world around us, the deeper we can go within. On your next inhale, allowing every single part of that breath to move through your entire being. And exhaling, letting every single piece go. Letting everything go. Completely soft and open, prepared for this journey. You are standing on the edge of a golden beach. Soft sand beneath your feet. The salty breeze gently brushing against your skin. And before you is the vast turquoise ocean that stretches into the horizon. This is the Sea of Lemuria. As you step forward into the water, each footfall, each press of the sole of your foot into the soft sand activates a memory, a knowing. You are walking into the frequency of your own soul, of lifetimes lived as a healer, a priestess, a water bearer, a wisdom keeper of the divine feminine. And as you wade in deeper, the water welcomes you. It holds you. It remembers you. And as you sink beneath the waves, continuing to breathe with ease, you allow yourself to float weightless and effortless in the water. And for a moment you are suspended in these turquoise waves, until the water decides to carry you back in time, back to a past life, back. Back to a temple of light beneath the waves. A Lemurian temple, crystalline and radiant. At the doorway of this temple, there is a soft glow of Lemurian crystals surrounding you. The walls echo with ancient songs, and your heart begins to remember even more clearly that you belong here. As you enter the sacred temple, feel the love that surrounds you. There is no judgment here, only truth, only remembrance, only peace. At the center of the temple is the largest Lemurian crystal you have ever seen. Its energy is so powerful that you stand in awe for a moment. That is until a guide appears before you. A fellow being of light, a Lemurian priestess, or perhaps a version of yourself from this ancient time. Spend a moment here with them in the temple. They offer you a message and a gift. Let it come and receive it with so much gratitude. There is no need to force, just receive. Your Lemurian light codes are being activated in your DNA, your energy, your soul. Your presence here is activating the Lemurian light codes within you. They hold the remembrance of unity, consciousness, unconditional love and divine balance. All powerful gifts that we need to bring into the present. Placing a hand on your heart and the other on your womb, saying silently or out loud, I remember, I reclaim, I return. You are the bridge between the ancient and the now. You are here to bring this wisdom forward, to walk gently, love deeply, and lead with light. Once your guide leaves the temple, you will begin to feel the gentle pull of the ocean as it draws you back, back, back to the sandy shores, into the sunlight, and back into your body. The temple waits for you, for whenever you wish to return. But now the sacred work must begin, as you draw the messages from ancient Lemuria into the modern world. Unity, consciousness, love, and sacred balance are your gifts to share with the world. Begin to feel your body once again. Your breath, your heartbeat. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, gently opening your eyes. Welcome back, Lemurian soul.